they are getting there. But if you look at the positional data as well, why am I looking at the positional data? That is yesterday and today's data. Yesterday was market is extremely bullish, okay, especially in the second half. If they are changing the data, including yesterday, then there is going to be a directional change. That is something which I'm keenly looking for. As of now, it is happening. But I wanted to see a big gap between the call OI and put OI. Only then you will see the price move. Otherwise, what will happen? Can you see this? 1400 to 1200. It's hardly 200-point fall. 1500 to 1800, 300-point rise. But there is not significant move. This 300-point move, you will normally see it in the Bank Nifty in one strike itself, in one candle. So there is not much which has been happening on that front. I'm looking forward to see what they're going to be doing it. Intraday here, they're creating a positions. It's all good. Positionally also, till around 11:30, I normally look at the data, whether the data completely changes. If the data changes, then it will be really good for us. That was a mistake because like on my keyboard, I just pressed some button and it automatically started buying because we are using the arrow keys to buy, right? So what I did is I did the side arrows instead of this to, that's okay. Sometimes it happens. The strike which we are looking at is 47,900 on the Bank Nifty. So I normally choose strikes which is between 300 to 500 odd range, okay? Because that's where the maximum traders will play with the liquidity. And especially after the expiry, that's fine. Currently, the market is playing around 47,796. We are playing in 47,900, which is almost 200 points, like 150 points away. That's absolutely fine. Guys, choosing a strike is also going to be very important. Don't try to choose an OTM strike. Always try to go for in the money and at the money strikes. And especially after the expiry, you can go look at the money and in the money strikes. Nothing beyond that. Can they go another 30 odd, 40 odd points? A quick move. Looks like Snega and Karthik really lacking the confidence after 3 back-to-back days of bullishness. They just needed to bring in the power to show, yes, we also have the money. We will also be able to take the market lower. I'm just looking forward for that. Guys, today we will be going into the options. Yesterday, you guys have understood how the futures works, what are the things which we needed to look at and everything, right? So today we will be going and looking at the options front. So you can clearly see these guys are literally not giving you anything. They're just taking it towards the territory. And the Nifty is almost heading towards that support territory. Nifty is in the green territory now. Will it Bank Nifty be the one which will drag it, or is it going to be a problem? So we are getting a candle. It is coming near to my resistance area, which is your WMA plus your super trend is here, your VWAP is here. These are your three resistances which you can expect. Weak one, little stronger one, very strong one. So I'm just going to be looking for that particular level for me